hit us that, and that is why we are going in to Akwatia.
It was on for more Kwaba, Ghana TV GH, message now like a comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that anytime I post a video, we see no, we stand back up your mawashi. It was on for why I'm saying a DRO, and I say my tea, sit, I guess, and yes, 9 years, some day, I shake the whole country. June crying tears, yes, and never be seen, let me see, Ghana. I lose 8 people. Out of those 8 people, no, there are soldier for me and son, and NDC officials. There's 5. Now, out of the 5 NDC officials, no, a state officials, 2 cabinet ministers, and 1 deputy director of NADMO. And tonight, yes, them they crying tonight. Omani na yesu. It was on for Friday, a day. I said, oh, say, yeah, funeral, state funeral, fair. Kofobe bre so. Na South state funeral I say no. And I join news for going Papa your friend no. Tanko Rashid. I NDC for deputy director of election. No. Oh yeah, Omane Boamah deputy. Kopisa no semba kumi no bi. Na Tanko Rashid computer kasa yemono. Obia owo funeral grounds. Ye diarewo. I dream and say, oh, now mine, Bonnie Ben I assembly can see Akwatia. A helicopters and I say, a pilot a weather now, and I say, a ding. And I dream some dream say, oh, Galam since and some winnow. How do you at first and say, oh, mine, we have lost 8 brilliant sons of this land just in one shot. And how do we manage to prevent all these things? God, I'm saying, what should be our stance as a nation to ensure, say, such sacrifice Omane Boamah, any Omoa Mokikano Ayeno, and yet it's ever any sacrifice in vain. I feel like Akwatia penny I am a friend Tankui. Ekoka Akwatia by elections. Ewo funeral grounds on mo. Funeral grounds on mo. Ada sit against and opano now on we meeting and now Omane Boamah mama strategy on be winning Akwatia election and to honor the memory of Omane Boamah no as I say winning Akwatia election. Sometimes so NDC for Udio Metia. Udi NDC for a chair. One share asema who here na obekoka. Asema enye no e na obeka. Yeah, diare wo. Omai no. Any muamu party. Eye na se na okoka Akwatia election asemu. Eye na se. Eye na se. Who this for? Sometimes no feeling my NDC near. Or no feeling money who. Who feeling my NDC near. Or no feeling money on there. Onyawa na ode be yon eno no odwen sade ye NDC na wo ne mobo so oh men is saying papa we and I say we no on do odwen se no be mafia e ye say okoka Akwatia election no any money.
Knowing my boss Dr Omane Boamah, I was his immediate deputy director of elections. Work closely, a brother, a friend, a confidant. We did things together. The strategies that we used for the election, Omani was on top of his job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now,
checks out 1, 2.
There's no more. So we have to take the pieces and put it together, and then take on and make sure that his legacy lives on. That's the only thing we have.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
A huge legacy, especially they activate the body camera for the election directorate. We will continue to use it. It's a code. He gave us the tools to decode it, and then it helped us a lot. So we will use it as his legacy to continue to build a robust election directorate, a winning machinery for the NDC, and so that his name will be etched on this metallic system that we are designing for the party.
When you say that his legacy would continue to live on, aside what you just mentioned, is there any other thing that all of you collectively coming together would do to make sure that indeed his legacy does live on?
Well, that's why we said the principle on which he was living, I've learned a lot from him. That's why I normally used to call him my teacher and lecturer. Omani has taught me life that you must not have problem with anybody. And that's why for a very long time, I hardly have problem with people. Because he said, appreciate everybody, listen to them, take their views on board. If you can't assess, don't harm. That was Omani for you. If you can't assist somebody, don't create another difficulty for that person. I mean, so these are things that we should imbibe in our everyday life. And I believe the party, yesterday the General Secretary and National Chairman said it, how to fill in the vacuum is not going to be easy. Losing such a brainy gem at this prime time of the party, 8 months in office, for us to lose such a gem is touching. It hit us hard. It hit us that. And that is why we are going into Akwatia, because he was passionate about it. That very morning, he gave us a strategy. We had a meeting with him that very morning, the 6th August, 7 in the morning. By 7:45 we are done. He didn't let us know that he was traveling. We took out the strategy. We were going to start the implementation in the evening and report back to him, only for him to lose his life in the afternoon. So you can imagine such a person who was passionate in winning that by-election. It will be in the right place for us to go and win the election in his glory. I mean, to let him know that what he wanted, we have actually achieved it for him.
So would you say that you are agreeing or not kowtowing with what the MPP was hoping that you would do in relation to the Akwatia by-elections? If you are to not contest, it would be some level of disappointment to the memory of Dr. Omane Boamah.
Not certainly, of course. Already we were going in for that election because we believe the election was rigged by our opponent, and we were contesting it in court to the extent that the member of which we were contesting died midway, and then so the matter became moot in court. And so naturally we have to go back and activate our processes. That's why we elected our parliamentary candidate ahead of that, before this crash came in. But we are saying that Omani designed a strategy for us in the morning for us to continue the process before the crash came. So we have to continue and to just show that the strategy he gave us, we will execute it and make sure that it comes to pass.
What would be the message that you would give to the bereaved family?
They should take it to heart. They've lost a son, but we are there to represent them. They still have other sons that they can rely on. We will still give them the shoulder they needed as a family.